Okay, I am back and we are playing Animal Jam. Get back in here. I'll tell you when I load in. Actually, no. If I pause my video, you're gonna have... No. If I pause my video, I have to do this thing again. So I can't pause my video. So you guys have to wait, or when you're watching the video, you can just keep scrolling until when I load in. Some people wanted to be in my video, but they said they gotta go, so I said bye. And I did too. It is snowing. And it is snowing. I literally am in my room and I'm looking through the window. I see the world. Hear it? Hear the window? Like, I made like a snow castle, but it was supposed to be for sand, not snow. But I just wanted to make a snow castle and see what it looked like. So I just used that. I didn't want to use anything else, so I just used that to make a snow castle. Or if I just made it by hand, it would take a long time. And I want to cover my backyard with it. And that would take like days or hours. Okay, we're almost in. Mexico's national bird is the golden eagle. I did not know that. Okay. And so when did I start recording? So 12? It's been 3 minutes. Okay. Just look at my friends. Bro said she said she wanted to be in the video, but she said she can't make it here. So I told her that I will go to her instead of her coming to me. So let's go. And tell her that I'm recording, not wrecking. Flying fish. So where is she? Recording. Say hi to the world. Oh, root. Where'd she go? What? Where'd she go? Sorry, I just put my mouth under the pillow. Yeah, the pillow. says hi. She's sad. What? Behind the scenes, I'll give her something. But not my double raccoon tail. Look at my new look I have. Look at this. I got my fox. I'll show you it. It's like, no, show you it. I love making videos, even though I still go to school. But when I hit 20 subscribers, I'm gonna say somebody's name in the video. And from my school. Like my fox. I'm gonna say somebody's name, somebody that's from my school will say their name in the video, and when they watch this video, when they watch the video where I post, they are gonna be happy, because that's what everybody says they want me to do. I feel like I've been in this den before. Wait. I think I've been here before. Yeah, I think I've been here. There used to be a pile of people here, I guess. Wait. Oh, I thought they were in line. Yeah. I'll go tell you to say hi to the world. I'm gonna say, I'm recording, say hi to the world. Say hi to the world. Show you her den. Oh my god, I love doing this. I have enough sapphires to show you the next anime that's coming out. December. It is December already, but it just didn't update the game for some reason. I don't know why. But when the anime comes out, I'm gonna be Rec and I can show the anime and everything it can do. So watch the video of the anime before buying it, so you don't waste your sapphires. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, I was just AFK.